So the last screen we're going to go over is the boot. So the boot tells us which device the computer needs to boot up from first. So at the top, we've got the logo and then the BIOS, and then we've got a boot options. So these are the order in which we boot from. So in this case, we've got actually boot mode. So boot mode can either be UEFI or legacy. Most operating systems now are UEFI, but if you want to be able to boot from a legacy device, just in case of an emergency, then you want to have that enabled. So in this case, you'll see all the different options. So if you click on a boot option, you can choose to change it. Now if you change it, if you add something here, let's say I change this to CD, then it's going to disappear from boot option 2. It's going to swap. So you might have to fix a bunch of these. So in this case, we boot from Windows, and then from the CD, and then from the hard disk, and then from a USB CD, USB key. So these are the most likely options in the network. And then we try to boot from the legacy hard drive. So in this case, all my UEFI devices are first, and then all my legacy devices are at the end. Now, in some enterprise networks, your first boot option is your network. So, and that helps to like let a computer boot from a server somewhere else. So that lets you re-image a computer. It's very helpful, but it doesn't boot automatically. It'll try to boot from the network, and then you can skip it. So within that, you have a Windows Boot Manager, which comes up first. So that's really important. So if you've got any questions about that, please post a comment. Thank you.